It is my privilege to present the following program that was inspired by the way American businesses and organizations have responded to the events of September 11th. It's part of a special series produced by Heartbeat of America. Having served in the United States Navy for many years, I fully appreciate the important role small and middle-sized businesses play in the very fabric of our country, and I salute the professionals who lead these companies and thus keep America strong. They are the very backbone of our free enterprise system. And today, on this program, you will meet the individuals behind one such organization. I'll be back later in the program to introduce the Keeping America Strong Award. And now, let's learn more about the organization we are honoring today.
Today, the eyes and ears of the 21st century are focused on new developments, new technologies, new emerging companies. We're on the scene to bring it to you as it happens.
We anchor from our new studios in Los Angeles and then go out all over America to get to the heart of the story.
I'm Bert Tenzer.
I'm Bella Shaw.
I'm Doug Llewellyn.
And I'm William Shatner, and this is Heartbeat of America. Since 2001, our television series has been featuring entrepreneurial companies that move our country and our economy forward. Standing by at our studios in Los Angeles is one such company. Welcome. Good to have you with us. All right, let's begin by telling me what you do and who benefits from it.
Well, we develop maritime dispatch systems for the use in dispatching longshoremen in the ports of LA and Long Beach.
Well, you're obviously successful. So what do you attribute your success to? Any particular philosophies or strategies?
Well, we work really closely with our customers, and we've managed to develop the only working dispatch system on the entire West Coast.
Now, stay with us. There's more to come.
We're back again with our guests from Vistum Solutions in Irvine, California. Again, on my left, Rodney Shook, who's the president of the company, and on his left, Keith Nelson, who is the vice president of technology. Keith, let me turn to you, because I know one of the other big aspects of your business is what you call managed services aspect. What is the managed services aspect of your business?
We actually like to work with our clients on site-specific solutions to keep their system and infrastructure running all the time so they could spend their time and energy on their core competencies. We look at their systems, evaluate them, help them grow with their business, and help them function at a peak level at all times.
We're talking about their computer, their information technology systems.
Their information technologies.
And this really has nothing to do with the product you created for the docks, for the longshoremen, right?
Correct.
I mean, it's a totally separate part of your business.
It's a totally separate part. We learned a lot of our methodologies and our management of systems from the docks, because the docks need to stay up and running 7 by 24 by 365 a year.
Right.
We've built a robust system at the Port of LA and Long Beach that's very impressive. You could actually walk up and remove half the power supplies in the servers, and the system will still run. We'd use that methodology we learned in monitoring and collecting system information to bring out to our other customers and keep their systems running at all times so they can be productive in their core business.
So give me an example of another kind of customer you would work for, and what kind of system they might have.
One of our customers is a hotel, a private hotel, a historical landmark hotel. They have disparate systems that run everything from their restaurants to their front desk to the reservations. We make sure that all their systems talk to each other at all times and provide the best guest experience for their guests so that everything is functioning and able to communicate with each other, so that when you eat in a restaurant, that restaurant bill is then transferred to your folio, so when you check out, you have a complete and accurate accounting of everything you've done, even down to the pay TV shows and the long-distance phone calls you may have made in your room.
Now, it doesn't mean you necessarily installed this system in the hotel to begin with, am I right?
No, so we try and bring together on our managed service product a best-of-breed approach. We find the best products that help our customer do their job. We bring those together and manage the system and make sure that they're interoperable, they can all talk, and there's a shared repository of data for them to manage their system.
So in effect, you could have helped them select the system to install in the very beginning?
We have helped them select systems to install to enhance their business. We also help them select the hardware and things like the desktop computers, the flat screens, their routers, their servers. We build refresh rates so they know they can anticipate when computers will need to be replaced and refreshed with newer models.
But you didn't necessarily have to be there at the very beginning when they were installed.
No, another customer we had is a machine company, machine shop that builds parts for Boeing and Lockheed. They contacted us because their core system continued to break down. They talked to people they know at Boeing that we had done work for the past, and they recommended Vistum highly. We went in there, and from a system that was crashing 2 to 3 times a week and causing all the machines in the machine shop to shut down, we went in and rebuilt their infrastructure, put it on our managed system, and in the last year and a half, they haven't had a single shutdown.
So did you, in essence, change a lot of the equipment they had?
We changed their equipment. We had them make a core investment in their infrastructure. Mm-hmm. We tuned the system, and we also created agents or monitoring points so that we know when logs are going to fill up. We can tell them that hard drives are getting ready to fail, and we are ahead of the lost productivity in their business.
Well, that's a really interesting aspect of your business. Again, this is a totally different one. Mm-hmm. I'm tempted to ask you, how many different kinds of businesses do you do this for? It doesn't matter what kind it
really
could be
doesn't.
Anything, couldn't it?
We have, like I said, we were in hospitality, manufacturing. We have a financial services company. We have a gentleman, a customer, who actually owns food services over in Europe, and we help manage those. We do work for convention bureaus, small businesses, larger businesses. We try and help either complement their information technology department, or for businesses that can't afford it, we go in and we are their IT department.
How big is your department that focuses on this, your IT team?
We have quite a few engineers, not only in our NOC, which is our Network Operations Center. We have engineers on site at different customer sites that are there full time if they have enough computers to run it, if they have enough computers to dictate that.
And as we pointed out, you're headquartered in Irvine, but as you pointed out, you have customers who are in Europe, but I guess you could have customers anywhere, really, couldn't you?
Most of our work is done remotely and through remote monitoring agents. We have Network Operations Center that follow the sun. So we have network operations space in Seattle, in Philadelphia, and even in India.
That's pretty interesting. How did you get into this aspect of the? Was it an outgrowth of what you developed for the longshoremen and the docks?
Yes, it was based on the methodologies and the practices we had keeping up a mission critical system. And for most businesses now, even small businesses, their computer infrastructure is mission critical.
So, as a result of this, are you now developing other things? What's going on at Vistum?
Right now we're developing, I like to call it disaster preparedness. Some people like to call it disaster recovery. I don't want you to have the disaster to recover from. We're doing some business continuity to where we actually mirror your systems offsite in our secure network operations centers so that if one of your core servers dies, we virtualize it and host it while we get your replacement equipment in so that you don't miss any business, that your customers don't have to put up with, I'd like to help you, but my computer's down.
Very interesting story. Interesting company indeed. All right, when we come back, we're going to learn the backgrounds of these gentlemen. We'll find out how the company got its start and where it's going in the future, and we'll do that in a moment.
We have been watching the operations of an organization which is doing its part to keep America strong, and we've been learning from its leaders about what they're doing to help move our country forward. This organization represents companies across our great nation that embody the spirit, dedication, know-how, and can-do attitude which has made America the great nation it is today. And now let's present the Keeping America Strong Award.
Now it's my honor to present this prestigious award to Rodney Shook, the president of Vistum Solutions of Irvine, California, for the outstanding work that his company is doing to help keep America strong. Rodney, it's a pleasure to give this to you. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'd like to set this on behalf of the engineers and other staff members that have made Vistum possible, and also like to thank our customers and the longshoremen who have worked with us for these last 9 years making a product like this finally come to fruition.
You're very, very welcome indeed.
Thank you. Congratulations for earning the Keeping America Strong Award, which honors innovators and leaders like you who are the heartbeat of America.
If you'd like more information on this company's product, visit their website. You'll find it at Vistem, VISTEM.com.
I'm William Shatner. Thanks for watching.